And David is so by Psalm 1 verse 1. It's running one now. One in a bonny for them, don't trust for default number, they move Rademra Sonani, net Otasia, a Rademra Sonani. But didn't when we are never and I do. No, the class will be see their friends as a Saudi Panama, or Jim Radia when we are near Nato. No 1 minute you be one them bonnet. 1 minute is off what we want as a nipper be one them bonnet. No Radia Sam was going home. Or the Saudi Pam. The oil you know better. And Already Yakopon that was it. Open tea and the air. And the Moyams won't come near the mouse, I better be so say. Near chance on Fidia and you say. There was a mobile as soon as we. And Yamanco, Yananam Panu for the Yaman Panu for, and a doma who do our cow would tear me now. Some corner and Yabe Cray say. There was over a day only in the year. A doing over the one side of the cock. Said you may be on fire for some answer. Miss Rowan Nancy so with Piaco Nipa woman. Miss Rowan Nipa say. What some can Matthew 24, verse 12 to 14 was said. Say, brother, the call we is sir. Don't want down of a joke. Now, one can say, Omunina. To know what someone said. Don't want to have a joke. Brian the Boura that can. Next, I would dear grower that can only be at the dam. Yamra may you know how many were at it. No kids or someone of one meragu. She's a never trouble your phone had one beco. What catch a Lodikias a football for the second track? Say your honey children come out of stuff for the side. Or Yenu. And I want yes. Juba free will no more torture. And if you are out training Muno, no begging upon an Yahoo. Let us any possible trouble your more. And my we also so dinner beer, I want a bravo. I find a old bomb to obey him, dear. Over and be slow. And I find something so pretty penny. Nothing so far, some more than double. When I'm going some more bone ready for the wood not by being sacred. I'm in a near bad hustle. Now I can't assume I'm marrying as a cotton some Jim. What more would you know, Nasso? No, we don't know direct. What can you terrible? And I'll do on the cock. Bang one was a Christopher Bibaka. Ushimbrinum. The slow at the Mayansa. The unquestioned question of Wumnua. Over far coming. There's a man found one come. Kayaba Tanyan form. Near Subu, yes, I can't be also at the town. Near say and Namia terrible rapid. My Atomian to be found count. The Mumura or Swahili. The Amrem. That the whole so the boy. Will be a trouble and some of we are not cannot to follow. His son is a nipple. So home by any more Duma. With Jesus Christ to demon take yes, so amen.
Amen.
Ephesians chapter 5, verse 14. Ephesians 5, verse 14. Yanko.
If it's a former, it didn't to tell my Eduna.
It didn't to tell Mudunan.
Everything I was saying.
It did not say.
What was that?
What was that?
Not sorry for
let's sorry free or from
the Christian ever.
I sorry. No dying man. Now sorry there. Christo Besrayama. Let us Matahudio. What that? This is for there. Who is when you young? They was all sorry there. Or Besrayama. But I would test our point in us. As I was in Yanni. Ah. You are some Christo son. I have because any point in our class, your border will not cast us. A man for not by Radimu. Woman named Christo, who named dear. Woman himself Sacrawi and one. No one to heaven. And so him. Attempted him. And born him. Prayer and him. Jimmy Bragan, sir. Me call you to work on Yahuto. na trenie wo ba wo benya ho to aba wo kra na nipa biare de wo be fa nso him pese o te sa ne manyase to ko Matthew 11:28 ya wo se ma ya adwuma bre na bon sabde ne so nyina so am no mombra ne nchai na obema ma home wo ti ase aha na wo se bo mfa me konua ento mo so fi se mejo na me bre ne ho ase e wa akomam na mo benya home ama mo di an kra ti mo nya adwene bi a hebu tirim se ye de ye ko Yesu mu a ti ni pa no enkoa ne ye ko Yesu ni aboko su ache ye de ahepa mu se ye ni da biya mo se samane den so hewum Kristo som no konua wum but was ni konua de mo hare ha ti be se di porters e ye ko e de se di boxer o jira ne boxing ring him. When you sakara what you start the battle with Satan. The monte and was because Bronson no free heaven when I buy into him said the host. To the boat I say, why will best start to Christo soon be our battle? Into one was so quite and I was all praise I was so back. A corner no. Just how to go now to draw one. Ubeka Into Christo so my account, but don't tell me what's it. Ephesians chapter 6, verse 10 down.
Ephesians chapter 6.
Ephesians of form of things, you move to Eba, Yanko.
The idea,
the didn't Abraham Paul 2 for 2 Ephesians of 4 for Sa. Mamma Munya Dane. I was I didn't know what did to me.
What is the Papa Denina?
Okasa, Mamma Munya Dane. Eofufuo ene top bar to me. There any of you fried rice. A piece of food be the dodo. What you say? A bit deep papa. Na have the coronia did you know? Young Casama common coon. But also a careful. To a city, dear children, not Paula Casa, who's Ephesians 5:14 who am a kayan. No, I declare 2:4. Oh no, Munya is sumun humanity. Demum. Munyi ho atan wankase mummu ho atan wo se munyi ho atan munye bi na mun kasa ntia se obi ye bia onko heaven atan yie no but mun hwe yie no man ko bu obi atan se wo de se de wotie bia no onko heaven da heaven ye ono papa japade a ya busu japade what you say njo se munyi ho atan ana odi besi so niema ma nipa da osunsumu no wo bobo so saa na odi besi santi wa wada no nyane ana wasa to aso o se Ephesians 5 no ana to aso ko se Ephesians 6 Paul no onimu de nti a o ka no Ephesians asafo no because da bosom kese ateme ne dan na nom Ephesians na no mo baye mu baye ankasa baby a Paul ne mo ekoe ti o kasa no onimu asema o ka to know 2 Ephesians asafodofo say munye strong munye careful so the wiase we adro the occultic centers we are say the illuminated kingdoms are epeja kola kitwa tim ko try from station so ye bayifo on na ye ne mame what does it by you na expose you in the TV stations na bosom fan ja homoni no bi o mo so sa enti na Awuah chapter 2 ho so dey bi a kire no a ahomoni be sore sa no oru so be hwie ne honhom ayere ni enti ebusan ogu honam nyina so mranke ne maya ebe huna ni so ade hunu ahyankom kokorafo so be so adai ti bu emuza mranke ne maya ne nese ni so ade hunu no mu wi ti asam ni yo ti no won gentia in the latter part obehwie spirit no wagaso de be so amanfo so also obehwie that means it will be in abundance. They are fighting Satan's spirit here, or the baby asem. And number one, someone at done home at Wiase. But I find a piece of water. The cat will be up the Osunsumu. That's our job. Because most of the Nianin Paya deal, they demonic foods. What you say? What we hear, you know, no matter turn about 10. To your Christo, the one you prayerful. I saw them for a better. Obeti magina so de adodo so obo jojo so wo ni power ana Paul catch feet of for be able say Ephesians 6 some tumu fo sa a kire no sunsumu techniques ahodo no na de akire ni se
o ma hunya ten
awurade na ho di tumi o kokko ti do ka kire o sa habe ko ma me na papa madika ka se nyeti ni pa ho ti ni Yesu Luke chapter 13 ho was a mom pray and share hefa opportunity uko Matthew chapter 11 verse 12 was a free Yohane suboni penso bepem de Yakobo henie no was yesi na nia den so agoro nim na wo mo nia bene de nia den na yere so the kingdom of God suffered violence to ye bote so timid Kristo ni bibiki to abi na wo su na yire ye na de kitu abi no wo na yira yaka wo ye dadwa ye dadwa si obi nsem o sa sre se jare fo mbon ncha wo wo yire kasa kia kitu abi no wo na yaka wo zo pe heaven akọ wo je serious ye bobi Bartholomew wo be the blade shine skin no no but the knife wo wo we dey na se the skin na se no about so why life now wo pa adwuma ya na disappointment ba ko pe ba ma o Kristo so no dey to wa hwiase woni abrede ye wonya wadwene so ba ko heaven atena ba bi o na de ko buru nsam jim na ko duru ho wi abehunu say yes ye period dwane ye fra samado akọ heaven was a mom pressure ho tinya go asem to was the obi akire no afiso asafo eri domo etie me ma honya ten e wo diem
awurade na ho andi tumi mu
awurade na ho andi tumi mu wankase nunum nuro na ye ton spiritually you have to be strong adenti do se me honya den
mo se nyankopɔ akode nyina
mo se nyankopɔ akode no bo fa se let's have a cool ho ene ho ne ma no se ye mfa se e cool ni ho e ho akode so ma wo tu asem na se ke mo mfa nyankopɔ akode ni nyina nse ne mo ntima gina ene obonsam na je se mire bia o dede agiesi wotimi de yare ba obetima be saya ware no otumi ekum wotimi the problems e how Tima hunya den wetima face sadem efisa
enye moja no hunam na nya
ne ni moja no hunam na nya
nemom
yedi panini any tumidie look at the spirit giants ya ye no mo fighting tete no na ye kon Israel for timi ko udike na for so nkunim anu afọ matase oti asem na se ti Joshua nom any Moses nom ekon amaleke for no mo fire wo mo enne ko no toafo the next and yet I am any two so the G4 proof will be good as a kind of TV so you can coach your time for no. That's a kind of penny to asema. Yakudia in your money dear. Yakudia obey will be swatcho. Timahunya thing. Never yanko Kodia and sir.
If you say,
what's the funny in us, if you say, and then what down some walk arrest or police station. So be having an uncle. When money in this year, or chiwa to assassin, was all press out to the coin. When I'm a warrior, when I'm a jumaso, when I'm a musicasanso, when I'm a woman woso, when I'm a war, Unya phone over baroness. When I'm called to be brave, so try, sir, or having probable. And I was so forceful, and fight it out so very, was so back. Was it for Yamia could hear it. What I say? The Abazam for you after Revelation chapter 2, verse 26. Was it the old Kunimuno? Was about Revelation chapter 3, verse 11 and 12? Was a hen will be a Wabotree? Let's be Biaje. The Assembly will tell the Abbot Paul Kayan was 2 Timothy 4:7. So Copanama Poli, the Gideos Makura. I come a train near Botra, the Bamaman. Certain transfer by getting in a few. Go train if you are Brabumo. Will you have a to a fight it? They are the Odin Kunimono. The Odin Kunimono. Thanks now, all you should know. Was any Patiasi? A Kuniwa Kunimudima. The 2 Timothy 4, verse 7. Paul saw Copano, my errand. Yaboxio. You will be a madam, a coffin of Sumasema. You will come you why papa. Wo could do clean issue. When some say Cobol Gama was a bit more. Joseph, one petit potty for Iran 20 or coordinate 3 years ago. Never you know, sister goes out with the bribe. Oh, who true? She can't show. I bet to her. Far at least. Better 5 bedrooms. Who bet me see to trouble near Mama Wato. Could you GDC horses as Caramon Fanco? Because you are not there to collect bribes. Yes. And you why did you also fat? Hong Kong Cosi Jai. And temptation number. Those all conjure Tenisio. About our would him say I will toss him. Bearman of poor, and the unemployed Bini. But all tower real so could him. Till was our travel couldn't now call heaven. Since our tower real so now be could him. The conjure train is so. But then he pattern your master because have your person car and not gonna say. Yes, the one of Uraho. What you say? Paul no the woo Rome. We Peter no more. See just a bonus and no do Uraho. But tell of you no more why the video no do Uraho. You heard your children this seven. Yet see na jung. They said the extra fish. But then it's chairman for Christ or something. So you want to say better, Manda, I'm telling you, Becca. You have to fight. What? The China Jumum. You got two no to be probably a friend Patmos. You China Jumum, you start to train about track a top chain from Zoom. Those are going, young children. Two no be probably island in your friend Patmos. You call Revelation chapter 1, verse 9, walk on our better. Johannes Name will be point from the Patmos. And when you see the word it's all. Some area, very wild animal areas. Yeah, a meaning a Japanese and more bonio, Sanky and Cherry. Johanny, how do you this wedding would it be some? Nadia Passy modernize the Christ or some. They are the other Garenia Dia. Fried rice, a cocoa, sweat, a guguso. They are the joy of time near to. I'm telling you. We have war for the car. Becca can't cross your phone. The boss of Panama Quavi. Your bobbage tribute to contain me a 2 months for war, so what twice on a bonnet, so then I saw an amico. What I say? After 60 years, born a king, getting to 40. One of whom I can about such shots. The whom more Johnny in 50 Biafra. Such a to Fias or Nisilas. What was try the prayers at Concono? So let the OB, our some kid to be back or to them the results from an ocean. Ready home. What? Twas a Copanama Quavi, there's a cool. Gideon from a crack. I come to your booty. One will pass it to Timothy. The first Timothy chapter 6, verse 11. Or church Kai Woman Daddy. Or Timothy. Also, some of the corner shouts him. Come and me back up. First Timothy says 11, young cop.
Timothy says 11.
Young cop.
What's now? Uncle Ponipa.
How young Ponipa?
Johnny,
Let train. Namesompa. Didier. Odo. And it was a talk. And you do a cheat. What is all the other show? There's a battle be all. Fight the good fight of faith. Tinya, you got a corner. Men says, I would know to do action. What I say? The Christosomo, a enemy and a mentasso. The Christosomo, one, Christianity is not by mouth. What's a crowd you pack? What back can the Tamasito? The Botanians will be so quite every Hong Kong. Or bet you want to form. To be paid a real natural. Matthew 4, verse 8. Yes, some pay a real natural. So I could trust for me. And the real say, may the presidential seat in the mouth. So I Johnny Luminati Kingdom no. May they have them now. Or Bassa, I will assume my own Bassua, Abegia. Never while you and then not our conformity TV so young. Cotosaurus some filmmakers, or we active films who do be baby or both one and none in Neurosonia Bosom or Penade or Fame, popularity. Certain the Cotosaurus or the demo. A different for me and conquer Fine. Keep the bread a second, pay your sector. ajo mo botrato bebre wa sori awura o ma woriem apeso gina ware so twe mo to fom bebre company work ensise bi wo mu ni nyame asem nko na wa force tie wo mo na wa pu nyame asem ato nchen bi so problems e bi so be certain things ya ka be certain things na o jase boni ya bembe ni pa bra o sakram no ensa wiem to asakra ta patesi wiem ti apatesi no be chesi ko Exodus chapter 14 verse 5 and 6 man ti boni bia na wo mu a ensa na wo sakram wonya sakra ba Yesu mu pa sa spirit no a wo di sa boni na chi no obekwaso ahanto nti wo dwane ado kra nkwa ado no so force obetron back obeta chwa kotom ti tama won sakra ne massem adwamamo yo problem wo sakra wi a ye careful sa won ne ma emmembenso enyan sakeke bra wo be sakra da ye kromfo ewie company work sika wo ba sori ma na so force dia so sika he wonsa amoku akoto nkatekwam what you say? Ti se de kebi obewia. Ti boni bia na bembe obra wo sakra ya. Ya na wa sakra no. Ye careful sa area yanko. Yes, Exodus chapter 14 verse 5 and 6 yanko.
No catch them
Misrim hene say.
O man
na ja protection we ko.
Na fa na de kwa akoma sakra.
Na fa protection hu no. Ana jama hu no aka wa so. What is the way Jai born in the pet or status of the hand? What you say? Twaso kako.
No,
was it?
I
don't need Jana Manako. No one calls 162. A spirit.
See, I'm like a giant some coin.
So many Panoya, the born in a tonoson. Ya o ye born near Jumama bon some kingdom. Ya Jana Manako.
No, Champion in Tiatena.
Panama Paco Muniama.
No fun in my can.
As a Sam Crawford in it.
No fun in Tiatena. Away.
A friend in Avocash. What the hearing?
What the Tiatena so after him.
I know the hearing.
I
know the chase you on the rabbit tries or be defended. What does it? I then yam Momaikui. Mama sectors of butchers in tea. Bonidia woman. And son of Sakraba Yesumo. Who homo need this abon next you? I bet tries a chase you. So the young Cabas are quiet abonello. And the woman was over the castle. So the cost of calling. The assembly, oh, kiss or soon. What I say, will be in Sacra and what to turn by my master beta. What I say, and never but kiss for more. The assembly, what but kiss to such spirit to boss it, or one about him. I don't know one sanquay. I don't know one sanquay. Woman, but one loaded Cassian and the chase you. When you come say sometime. We are the Bazani Pop Jassi. The air conjo. No, I didn't know what you saw before. Just so amen. The issue or the Acondiana mind. Yeah, Baba Christo ni wama, what my could him differ. Acondiana, Boboso Kakram Radi. Efficiencies.
Verse 10.
Verse 10. Mahunya Ben. Running a word to me. Musa Yanko could be in now. No matter what you know, and up on some net there. Just share. The side. And then what Jan Honam name. The mum. Near to me, dear. And we are seeing super too for young money also. Look at the spirit. Here is all. I make a
what the empty?
When Yanko could any now. What to make at the bank that one down so that too. Yes, it can be or person of show side, a cotobo name. I said, I make come at you so full. The brother that I could hear you to see and find shadow. Well, Daddy, you go. You are something to a good job. Why am I? What all? Well, a Christian is wife a control one. We need him. No se we no asa me kwa sorry to check that toso no tese de what's up paper to ntam no hu bi say ya de bon sam de ka kire no odi akiri because odi power e obetim de control cover 13 so
verse 13
yenti wo se yanko ko so repeat afi to aso
mo ti ma tina da bon
mo tina da bon ni nu na mo ye ni na wia wo de say wia ntrase gina ho as a warrior as a fighter gina ho
Mo follow cry.
Ebo wasene.
Na mo settle ne kata bo.
Fatre ne kata obo.
Na mo pass you just some pound that so.
Nyame asem a ye kan yi akra na the gospel peace, the peace of the gospel. Asumdua asem pa no ho ahoda so no. Nyame asem kan ye kan yi akra no. Eno ne paboa fa se. Nhyira chile no. Fajidi kuta.
Mo betima tumo boni fon ba.
Besa de tra bi abonsam to. Pia bi se mra wo so a. Na de gidi kem no. Asa de tra bi no. Na de ade pia na to. Wa bra nka wo. De kan bia wo dwuma ye. To asoko enzem. The helmet of salvation. And kwaje da de che fa she. Eno no wo che. Besa suma tu fe wo wie mu hono. Wabu akudie bi firi wie mu ba wutri ahwima ade atofom na nkan to wonim kwaje won sakra ya wo kutia wan kasa wo ti asem ni yenko
ene wo kranta ene yanko pa asem
ko se sika na ye de ba de ya
yanko pa asem
na me asem ja sebo ya ye kan twa na me ba so mako abeto asoko
mo pampai bo
ene sere nyina e mo mpai da hu enu anti mo nwan
na mo nto aso a
owen so ka ho watchfulness so ka ho Kristo ni awon ni amanfo yire nom na titete sum wo wan de wo ba bi ato a this all do ko he don't take you I was ya pam na mdi mani ayere akọ something for many wen kari ababa who minister no na come e bofu kin wo wan de are you watchful at all esi awo haya utum no won ko na wo TV multi TV wo ti fi ofo mba ni nyina gu dem who your wife Christian there ti asem yo ti careful what I say wo de mra bia wo mopa wo use no ya wo de kwafuo mu kwafo yire nom na afo mo tato e man bi so jama yinti rufo yi na egugusu gina bonten to oti moto na ti o moto de mpem ebo anan pemamra so na no fu wo de body wo ti say bam wo ride moto no wo ya be ma are you watchful at all to ya so say wo nkon fa moto no nkon koduru fie na wa dwini mu nyina ya sound wo ya correct there drasa bni ti be ba o we watchfulness account te money na ho na boni ba mo hu ti asem akode no tie de wo bobo so nyina no for si prayer ka ho me bo tu ye Kristo ni wo jai prayer to ha enye yi ti asem no kan yi enye pai ba ye sisa afofo nsase mo man ne de awo menke ufuo ni ebi ni aba as a Christian you have to pray ye da ko kwakobo Yesu asem yemu wo se owo yi amu no wo ba ne pai bo mu yere afa Yesu mu ya no na ni mu fifire ti se mo jan tonto e bofo we are Christian you have to be prayerful what you say what did dia ma fe duru ba bi obom pai abe ramsa wana wa Yesu ho se o de bom pai wo bi ani mra no ho so kra na yesa wadat na di benchia Yesu catch up Luke 22 verse 46 was a mum pai o no man yare just we will be a wooden pai bo dia hora I'm telling you and so we be a beba so wuntimi ba hwase heaven ko bebo we are Christian so nem fa so amaso the true said they be have sorry na kodra we will be bebre no mu dodo the assembly the prayer it brings fire every prayerful Christian be able the training here juma na dem pipe also here juma we are very powerful we ja because Second Kings chapter 6 ya all the Syria for years on kwakokum election e wo dotan no o ko na de na twa ne dai ho sia fire e just dan ho sia tini power your prayer for us Christo ni men kan de bonyefo be kan Christo for todo wa sakra pa he dia ko mo sorry na kodu se munyai ti asabni afa nyankopo asem soso fa kampai mo no John chapter 15 verse 7 ka homa ngade John 57 ti asabni
John 57
yes yanko
sir mo tena mi mu
sabo tena mi mu
na mi nsam tena mu
na masam no so ka ho
mo ba tena bi a mo
e na be ma won pai mo no
na e ba ha ma
be de be ma mo what the point na say ha eruti na wo ye Kristo ni apa so papa ko me enkyere Bible ne jai oil sam na wo ba me na ye na papa na ye ti asam yo sa wo tra Yesu
na me tell some
na na sam no so tu mu a
wo se bibia mo pe
e no na wo besere bibia mo pe wo dia man na che sa wo tini mu na sam ni mu a wo besere na so beche
ema
wo ti asam aye kana se aha ana wo tini mu na sam so tu mu so sere nya yi ti ere ma mienu trani mu mana sam so nyare entreu mu na fe pampan go ka ho so be ya ma to so use the word wouldn't say Matthew chapter 4 Satan by Yesu nkyere asem no ne Yesu de condemn Satan tell Yesu akosre so akobom paye e number akoma 40 days ye days nkwa o 9 ka ho wa nuru fie ne Satan siminie what was here let's say mo touch mountains a mo de mu bibia ye prayer nkwa na nyame asem nka ho mo follow short. There are some a kubi owa ye de sekai ne ko to what Yesu who said say madadu anan paibo entima mpambro nsam ma nuru fie mpo akwa itirimu ni wonu onyankopon ba no da ne boy pan all Yesu e stop prayer obu ase
what you say
what you say
na pa no ko
asem no o so what you say ene man no wo so what you say you nim the two sounds of Hebrew no there na de ba yi ho ano ti na me pesa wo hia Bible no ti asem ni ano san eko 2 Psalm 91 Satan o Jesus san ko 2 nti 40 days fasting and prayers ya entima mpambro nsama free Yesu nkyere Yesu ko 2 3 quotations pe Satan ja no ko you see the power of the word the minyame asem mfa di ago what you say ko Hebrews chapter 4 verse 12 the word the time Yankopon soma Joshua ti asem ni yo Joshua chapter 1 verse 8 was say mama 7 free wadum je ne ho awiane anato na wa hwa ye se de wa twere wa asem no mu na no na wo kwan be wie jojo ne be siwi kwa na David so ba ye Psalm 1 verse 1 e hira ne wona won nyina bonifo girem no ntra so di 4 tenabra na mu awurade mra so nani ne okase awurade mra so nani no gire ho awiane breban anajo no de to so be si verse 3 ne se sa di pa no wo gire awurade asem ho awiane anajo ne won nyini ni nua bi ho adem bone no won nyini ne sofo bi ho anase nipa bi ho adem bone na awurade asem wo gire ho no wo de sa di pa no de wo ye nyina ba re anete that is implication the word no ko Hebrews 4 verse 12 the power of the word nyame asem no yenko
Hebrews 4 verse 12
yenko
what says Onyankopon asem won kwa
Onyankopon asem won kwa ahode su
na
anu ye nam esere sika die wo wiase o de Paul so ka kire Ephesians 4 asem mfa honhom nkanta ene de ba bi
Onyankopon asem
obi Kristo ni betima so the whole day on kai Bible you are dead tina Paul say wa daru yere nyane chasi sia Bible no na no ene wa konde ba ko David is what 7 men na se kame ena kyerem ba bi a memfa me na nsi tu wo bia wo hie nyame asem mo a apete se ba ho nko o za sabu nam kan cho se ko kame na wo asem no mu e direct wo no e fa nko asewo ba wo tase tu obi onim nyame asem there are some certain places you are the person will never go there ko asem no kan ya ne nkyerem se on fa ho wako fa wrong place after na bon sam fidi akoyi ko you don't know the word nyame asem won kwa to so
na ahodi wom na esran ko duru se
esram epowram dipadi okra no ere ko duru se bere
e papa
okra no enti e padi eti bi ja okra yi nyame asem ho za ho dipadi awi se kai bi e se ba no ordinary camera physical camera eti mi twa dipadi a ba okra no ye word ti asem yo to se mo fa Yankopon asem ya hunhum nkante ada fe so de trust me tam no ntia me kontam afọ se mo fa hunhum ahoda so no asempa no the gospel no asempa no emfa se mo no ti sunsun mo mpapo asoso e the gospel no tu ye Kristo ni a wo penya me asem ka akra ye mfa wo ho a sunsun mo ni mpaboa ntia e ti ho to da ti asem ni ye ya Who go look chapter 10. Verse 17 to 19. Ka on them. Sabbath ni Yesu asuma suafo. To know them pabwana yeren. Ashe wom. Ate ka de Yesu ka so. First verse 19 so na tam no yenko. First verse 19. First verse 19 yes yenko. Chabe mam ho kwai. Sabu tietia. All the sabra no asuma mama the gospel no. Wo ba kwa ba. Tama Yesu. Wo be the report no be Yesu wudi ntia wo ni pa bra mo asema ye. Yesu mi sunu hu Satan say. Tama mo kanyam se mo yi akra. Wo so free wi ma hwe fom say nyinam. Ye try akode no. While Yesu cast the Satan top from there. Who was spiritual shoe no. Sunsumu won't boot and the sabon. And then the gospel na me yamamon. And to move fight you on Samson. And to be all sound preacher of the gospel no. Satan throne number 1. Or cast me clear or big clear also. Cause for spiritual shoe. What you say? To Christ only on Penyamia Samka. One pack rai, Nisika and Kohon, no Fidian Kohon, what I hold in Kohon, then Pybon Kohon. That Christian were you weak. When in Pabwa. Now, of course, I'm 91. Was it? But some above for some of also. What quite in him? Robert saw almost some now when I am Pembo. There's a heavy corner boom. But we are born away him Pabwan. Who did before? I am first what Jacka, any our 1 year and just hearing. Oh, what was it almost? And Pabwa should be so. For better could tell whom you were in and China. Whom I want better what you almost. But that is of what you are some CEO. Tijanku Possum, Empire, at Assam Pakajuma dear, after 10 minutes was a Kakao. Obo, a map called upon him, will come. A Maya can not quite will come. Satan took a pen, say Emra or Bonosoa. The breastplate, yeah, righteousness, and the hate you had touch me. To was a woman sound. Go the Pebia baby a child, Umuntem, Wakuma Kwaka, Tim Ubu, to 14 and Kakabo Kakao. What's your way now, William? Obo Park would in our soul. We are Christian, you would get you up prayer. Who may go trouble you. Soon, soon, no better. Now, we are time for better one Katabe finance. You are somebody. What's that for you? What the Abuda Moon Shoka? Nkutoswe. Coco. Chadia. Oil. Babu Mumi. Cement. And my people. What's that? Some food or what? Yes, so. What you say? Monsieur and say, I saw a bishop in Nhyira Babu. The Tinukutia coronavirus. Now, Christophobi. Yes, so we in fact 2 human. Meaning, say that for being poet. Christo Nibi, a Christophobi Nimunansa. We go our own Babu. Tiasamano Canio, a Christophobi Nimunansa. Now, and then I met the Nimre. So be as that was soon, and that's Wayemre. Whom I say, Wayemre. Mpaibo nyadwuma fetire no ada akonsire nyadwuma tene ne abrabo nyadwuma Kristo di no ompra Kristo di no do obi aka obi hu asam kitu abi ne hyanimu ko ja se afeso so nyame asam so nyadwuma just that for chano ho as a Christian ye hwe ha wo efiri mu ba de edi ka hwe sa Kristo ni wada o le se nipa da se bibi boni bi koso ono ho bere wa hu ohun Premier part that in jail. Why are they more than Bugasentema? Because what you say? Oh, the something. Time I know what chimpan. Judges chapter 16. Sabra and Nhyira says I can't come so soon. Delilah or Bumper influence said that in jail. Said the powerful, and so who is a drop on spiritually, we're blind. What you say? We are blind. We are Susumuno. I say, what that? And now what do Joe? We are soft. What do Joe? Umpaibo Yajuma, Ukonko Yanye, and the kitchen of Nabofu. I say, what your bands will be Ubiaka. I say, Usupaima status. Quite happen Yajuma. Sahu Macho, sorry. Now, Bompire, now only Yamiasam. Only Yamidim come on, nothing. And Yajuma, a Diagu. I say, Ukom Mark chapter 1, verse 37. You hold on, Daddy. I hold my tin Bible. That come back camp was it. Mark 1. Morning prayer. Christo need beer, sorry. and apart from 12 ekosi ahomache 5 Kristo ni bia was sorry Satan so timi yamre bomb just 1 hour sa Kristo na fi ase dey the prayer ni hwehwe ni mudie ni bi a serious prayer na fi ase dey because of conquer some one time in fidia ho do abonsam sum the whole night no what the same morning prayer na be destroy ni na Mark 1:37 yanko
Mark 1 verse 37
yanko
no
yes
o sin say anybody na show
panyina yo verse 35
verse 35 no sorry ho ma the teacher adi
oh sorry ho ma teacher adi no aye extra so fa baby o no bi kokon tokwa ba ma bi ni yira ho ma che no mo kon ta ho ma che o no mo den tokwa sie ni Yesu sorry ho ma che o ko bom pai o obi su business ya hoye na ho ma che no o ya ahobo akọ no prayer David is also Psalm 5 verse 3 kai ho Psalm 5 na de enti amo kora no pa be se mi nyamra ma be chim because an pa so e to akonde me ni time ka me bowura ho kere wade Psalm 5 verse 3 Awurade ye me na no pa na no pa ye wawurade wo de anya me yira na me kuro dia na me hwe kwai simple ori de enti okasa sankrofo abemfo we David kum Goliath Yesu su tia bro nsamuti sa bimfo we yusu anopa de bompae Kristo ni anopa no oten kromo ahomachio no kan ntima bu ntina fe nkrobo ta bese nnasam na Kristo fo dia ko ya kasa mamamfo asakra adewura Yesu mu na so ma da na ne pese fa sa mi su nyane wo chiro Christian principles not me de dwane ade okra nko tidi power dawo sunsumu he is insensitive around the environment on think the money that in China what you say they talk to the pata e man come for kwan Matthew 13:25 yentem Matthew chapter 13 verse 25 ni pata e de ma tam he oba na ware no wada onu se manya e ma na wie ti ma dodo me ho mada kede na nsa ware na sase who bet by indi awade na ye but Satan be gua baboni efrem because we loose or for my jam ho dodo then Matthew 13:25 also the pata the tamfo they didn't tell
okay no pata no
yes the tamfo here the other point about church yes what tamfo bi ya all special time bi no dey be guna baby e wa brabo nti o ko da nanka problem bi ani ho but ade anchina na e ma asem obi sha obonde oh meboa wo sei ni ama onya me somete makoso e chena be fere no wo se fa nkwaso asem firi me soko wudi se bibia be he ya asem yo enti oni pa da ye no the time for here be gu ababoni afra ya de papa na wo ye o pa de papa anim kwan o ha de papa anim kwan enso wo hwe na de boni nko na ipia ho wo pen na do wo ye loose wo ye weak wo mre do wo do wo nyu now sir aduane wo yesi wona se do antati akora kan bibe once na two free toilet so hey fau no did the open work because ajo that's what can be clear pass ho ana banku si ho na se intutu ise fasuni ya fe san once na betwem ho a nti Elisha ne da wo dem ba yi twem ho enye yi so na tie we are powerful Christian obi Kristo di timi kokko highlight was a hade abayi 40 fie ha do nti metu wo mobo wa hwiase esumuni we are high ampa esumuni hansi a ho ne dane anate tinka bayi fo do tifi ho ne kebeko what you say we are powerful Christian now we land ba bia aposoma ho ne dane bana o tini e ma bia so Kristo di bi beda no oba bi na beda Kristo ni beba wo Nyankopon da Nyankopon udi pa bia wo se ye hwan so da ya nyame aso da na da na adwama modan e ye den ma me wata be fa de bo adwaman e ye den nsu ma honhom enya kwa wo ni pa bia so e de be bo adwaman we loose what shares what that what jojo can you not do no fire around you person na ni practically so so mase ni pa wo ye nua o tamfu nya kwan ti se duane ye ninu obi aka bi wem Prebresi na ni yedene. Jatasi na ni yedene. But who be a dead there? Who didn't pass it through? Who does not make an answer? Fine. To a Christian, we are very powerful. Problems be over intimate men or cry. There's all 10 years maybe as Tinipa, what da, what Tanfun are going to grab up on me. Soon some way me, what the job, but trouble Joe, and another Madrid, and another and said him to me Mompayo, and said the crowd him to me Castle, and said come to me Carbabo, Medumenti, and I went and said, I said, oh, you see yourself as weak. Wouldn't you be about the two? Oh, my time for coin, Mark chapter 4, verse 35 down. Yes, you could one more die. Pronounce sorry. I'm a tear. Sunday we are saying, oh, sorry. What time for Beba Nasi? But what da? What time for Beba sorry also? 2 things. What does it? The best of the 10 years maybe as it. Of the power da. The how be with Sandeba. Yari. Eddie Awuah. Some say, Judges chapter 16, and in them. Judges 16, verse 5. Okay, from verse 1, because it's 3. Samson, or than impano. The Jamain the new fra. The assembly. To why the Delilah Sunya Fabe Bowlem. Sunsum Wata Boninki, verse 5. Judges chapter 16, verse 5. Yanko. Philip the faster for him about in China. Or the catcher Delilah said, that Samson. Let's add the Kodia. Now, who are they Cassian? A woman. Adekodia. Adekodia bet him the iron. Abrenasi. There's a Samson by a target. Fine. Go verse 18.
Verse 18.
Yes, Yanko, Yantam.
I say, Delilah who said, what can I come? I bet Samson will do come out 1 minute. The assembly, Christo knew was a cardinal. The real Christo, ye Christo. The same time, Penelumun Sembi, Edna Swire, and there, so no will be a beard hosa. Delilah who said, Samson cannot come among some in our channel. Was some of flat by phone by Mumra, Precupe. If you say, what coming a come among some in our Abetuaso, Philip for for him of Barin Chain. Or tell Susumo, whom Delilah told something else when you obeyed the hero. Verse 19. What? Delilah the da something. Oh, no. Fine. Nti bonsam strategy back on the win your Christ for. Spiritually, go boy you weak. Sunsumu near my condition ever boss to tell. Who for being Yaduma? To assembly, what's one what you draw why a man? Sata we targeted the man complete. Delilah the da something. No, they tell me. I know fair and conform money be in a whole different. I want any free something sort of. What about you too many? There's something of fact one budget. It come thousands of Philistines. I feel something in Unadi. The Nhyira you to or get blind. The assembly, I feel in a no go, they're gone. Bosom, almost some Cassian, they're gone. Philistine for Bosom Cassian. Something or grow or winning. So you can never ask about a tray at the atoms. What I say? What child here was in spiritually or go a woman bosom anymore. Something said him Guasiaba, Michela Piasio, Mreya, and enough. Mreya and enough. What to do to the harmful plan? Manuel Ray Bravo Bessay, you're careful. Something said the Econine, while those who Buddha Kuno, to their conversation area. Eba. Sunsum, we am ra. Was some was you carefully what work to do something. Then what do you do that? Was there by this card of cocoa in mamma? How did you do John Joe Kojiska? 30 pieces of silver. One of Pamu Yesu. I come from home and tell in answer. First Kings chapter 3, verse 16 down. Can in Tamame. Yes, verse 16 echo. Train send me a sheho, Yanintam. A Brenumono. Madam and from you, Ruby. About Solomon and him. Or Baba Fuka said, Mura, make sure enough, and how I did back. Soon trouble just a trip as I was assuming Yamiasu Jai, as a Mrayano. Look at the problems at the Bayampo. Mura, the Paucho. Then you are by to fear Bakum. Name will back, I will ensure with you. A bass, the way actually know. Oba yi so wo. There so obi na won kola nketo mienu. E wo faako. Yenko.
Awuah bi nka ya ho.
Ohoho bi ani. Efie ho. Ye mienu nko a.
Na yo fie ni.
Na yo fie ho.
Na oba yi
e bali wu anajo. Efiri so yere yi. O won say nanti obi akum ne ba. You see the problem? Oba bi akum ne ma. Say the lamentation too. What is sorry ahomache anadu da suom na kika mu motafo anti. Oba bi na enti ne mba nyina da ni nwamanfo. Obere mu nyame. Ti asem ni yo. To asom ye nko.
Na oba yi ba du wu anajo.
Enna nti okum ne ba no. Efise oda ne so.
Na osori
da suom no.
Osori da so be fa.
E be fa me so me ba. Na ade na wo wani kan wo ho. Na me ba wu. Na me ba be fa wo tie na wa hu. Wo so no so ayere.
Na wa fina
ada. You see the instance. So enti wo no me ma dada ne ba so. Ana ma be wi a wo ba. O ba no wa ni kan wo nkwa. Wo susu wa da nti. Ade enchen na wo ba na wo nkwa no. Wo da ne owufuo efunu e da wo nche because of enna. Wa jojo wa ye mre. Nti wo ba wo nkwa kama wa ni mo nyam kama. Ade enchen no na ada ni funu da ho. Na ne wo ba kan na kodi obi nsem. Wo de fa si ho. Akenkafo na atiefo na anka kan to aso. Effect of spiritual slumber. Susu mo jawo hododo. You are something here. Bebre so me say rapture. Matthew 25. Rapture. Bebre that me say because of mereyeli botrobodo. Ha, me be the see hadia confirm sisi ha. You are something. Now oko Acts chapter 16. Verse 16. Paul say, "E don aye kwa asori numu no." That means that no. No mo kwa asori wo 9 o'clock. E don to so nkron. Ana mo kwa asori wo. Fine. The better check the chair wadi bi asa na yabom pai. Fine. The Paul tutu ba ye bi firi obara na akom honhom. E wo no so. Ni jabu ni story. O tutu ba ye ni wie ya no. Ko mo hofo so nyamfa so firi abaya no so. No mo tisi Paul no so. Ya buo mo. Ye do mo kogu afiase. From anapa 9. Ekosi na di 12. The Paul no trans wo nim se de isu akonde no. Wo trans from anapa na kosi anadi 12 and almost 30 prayer. O man na. What I say? Ya buo ma wo ma tade amra ko boxa sauce. A buo ma ti ma moja nwi wo mo. And so they didn't sleep. Asofo bi so mo problem to mo dida. Ejam no prayer, no Bible studies, no preaching, no soul winning. Just say jani mam san wo che ho. Emre bia the problem no ka ho asem. Na me nkyere wade bi. Paul, Rome asafonyo na te. Koronto asafonyo na te. Efeso de. Philip for de. Na o he Hebrews one tell nsam no call you. Na the book of Philemon on sa tell. Shall sorry Paul tete yo. And so sha Philippians church na ne boa ne kese. Paul say efa o mane nkuntabuo ho de obi amoame. Asori bia sorry abatete. Modi mo bebre ba me bo obi amfim je se Philip fo nko na soma. Philippians chapter 4 verse 14. Eko. Se me omo de ne ma yibra me. Nyankopon hira wo. Hwe se sofo mu ya. Ya wo kwa asori from anopa 9. Ekosi anadu 12. Ya bu o mo ntese. Ya ntese asori ba bi si ho. Eko sra wo. Ti asori yo. Most of all, no problem, and you problem, and the Yajuma, and your problem, and then the Adjuano. Master, keep quiet. When you die, Tiasario, because you corner any pa, if you have effective Yabu, although who's holding and coupon a hearing, you might also for him. And will be a woman, and will be a woman, and a common demi, and a white. And upon 9 to another 12. And the other upon be. What is that for him penny for so be an command? Then sorry for be to body power. Maybe about Paul you move, you know. No, and I took the shum. Now Paul says was a matter of sorry. Make sorry. What's the Mark chapter 4, verse 35 down? Yes, you die and from answer for sorry. Table yes, so sorry upon one can want to. And the secret of Christianity. What sorry I can not at all. What you do? What you do? How no sorry and sorry. Na complain. The way they me, the way they mammy ye, and the way they have me, and I made any human one, and I got mammy to Sukasa. Hana, onya from about 1 pie. What the cause of you? Mutia some you. Hana, Pompire. Amen, dear. The water called me sellers. And I do the zoom starting prayer. To Joma Rade, Pompire, I've heard you see.
Yes, no, so
I fake prison yard, the whole prison foundation, assassin, I was so, and I put in I want Pronere, Sikasa Pronere, a Juma Pronere, a Punto Pronere, a sorry Punto Pronere, a fake this kind of prayer. To assembly, I'm on time for crowd smile or chain of Hopia. So come. Look at the power of prayer. Oh, sorry. The Yame Bayano. And then was a what I reign. Yame. What will we want to see Yame? I was sorry. Chris will be ready. I said, you are someone look at me. Me know the one pie. Nana, I was in the head of the assembly was something from Ro. Million Christoni, rise up. And now, when I want 70 million, what about power? Tell him I'll quite a bit walk. And then you're telling everybody. Maybe be able to be a what sorry to tear the biswa. Can be able to be your can you want it? Let's show who thing. The real city, you're common. Yes, you bound up trouble your phone call. Woman come here, Derek. No, Mamma Bay when you mean, or more shit, no before Mako. The careful they got complaints. Then you only need Panimbo Johnny who name Nayo. And you only a couple and a ewo. And about some person when you wouldn't talk. And the connection is who connected to Yankopo and Sacred. Now the one to Yameso. No one reacts. I could you know you to the mouth. Would the Bayer Juma? No feasible in some one Bible. Come what may. Mamma Ubedin Papa, and couldn't be about the order. The free Sabrino. Sorry, will be persuaded you about it. They were debating about Wakwama, one and one pie. Holy Spirit, that was it. The bonfire that was just a quiet number 2 minutes home for boy. Would you have me by said there are 3 to 400 ducks? No more by Emra, a money, 84 Musono, my brabosono, or best choice, a deal matam for some kunim. Yet did you make in our sound some pure team beyond the sound, sir? So I don't home one. Now, Obrea, send your son, your quack. Now, man for any more, if fear is so, and I will make Uncle Dibun so much. It was so dear me, with Jesus Christ to demon, just so amen.
Amen.